Welcome to YouTube, and today we're diving into one of the most iconic luxury performance SUVs on the planet, the 2025 Mercedes G63 AMG. This beast is more than just a symbol of status, it's a perfect blend of raw power, legendary design, and ultra-modern tech. Whether you're into high-end off-roading or want a street-dominating luxury ride, the G63 delivers in every category. Let's start with what makes the 2025 G63 AMG so distinctive. It still carries that classic boxy G-Wagon shape, which remains instantly recognizable, but now it's sharper, sleeker, and bolder. The Panamericana grille, aggressive LED headlamps, and widened fenders make a strong visual statement. Mercedes has kept the military DNA alive, but they've polished it into a high-performance, luxury sculpture. Under the hood, the 2025 G63 roars with a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, pushing out a staggering 577 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a 9-speed AMG SpeedShift TCT transmission that can send this near 3-ton monster from 0 to 100 km/h in just about 4.3 seconds. That's supercar speed in a full-size SUV. And let's not forget the unmistakable thunder from the AMG performance exhaust. It growls, pops, and crackles with every touch of the throttle. The performance doesn't end with speed. Mercedes has equipped the G63 with AMG ride control, adaptive suspension, and 3 locking differentials, giving it true off-road capabilities. Whether you're on a rocky mountain trail or cruising through the city, it adapts with precision and control. Ground clearance is ample, and the new G-Terrain control system makes sure you're always in charge, no matter the surface. Step inside, and it's pure luxury. You get diamond-stitched Nappa leather seats, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster paired with a 12.3-inch infotainment display, ambient lighting, Burmester surround sound system, and all the cutting-edge driver assist tech you'd expect from a top-tier Mercedes. Rear seat space is generous, and the cargo area is surprisingly practical for a performance SUV. But in 2025, Mercedes takes it a notch higher. Enhanced MBUX AI integration, a redesigned AMG steering wheel with haptic feedback, and a refreshed interior layout put the driver in full control, with style and elegance. Plus, new customization options let buyers go wild. Whether you want carbon fiber trims, matte exterior colors, or limited edition packages. Now, let's talk competition. The G63 squares off with some serious contenders like the Lamborghini Urus, Aston Martin DBX 707, and even the Range Rover SV. While those SUVs may have sleeker lines or slightly more horsepower, none deliver the same mix of heritage, off-road cred, and rugged charisma that the G63 does. It's not just about performance, it's about personality. So, if you're looking for a vehicle that combines brute strength, extreme luxury, and timeless appeal, the 2025 Mercedes G63 AMG is hard to beat. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.